Hey guys, I am back and it is time to do another Stitch Fix unboxing for the month of February. This is actually a quick fix. It kind of turned into not a quick fix because if you know where I live, it is in northern Texas, and this week, to be blunt, has been a shit show. But here I am, we're on the other side of it. We only had one broken pipe so far anyway. Here's to hoping, fingers are crossed. We were lucky, it was minor damage and we caught it right away and were able to fix it ourselves. Instead, I have friends who are waiting like 2 weeks for a plumber, so this is my life right now. But with that being said, I'm here, I'm alive, and we got relatively lucky compared to people who live in like Austin. So moving forward, this was originally supposed to come like a week or two ago, and then the snowstorm hit us, and this came a couple days ago. If you're not aware what Stitch Fix is, maybe I should get into that. It is a clothing styling subscription service. You take a little style quiz about what you like and what you don't like and your measurements, and then you get paired up with a stylist who sends you 5 items every month curated to what you put in that style quiz. And then if you don't like anything, they do send you a prepaid mailer to send everything back. If you do like it, congrats, you get to keep it and pay for it. I just realized I have a bruise here. Sorry, distraction. And let's see, if you do keep all 5 items, you do get, it's either 20 or 25% discount. Something I've started doing is I have found that I have boxes where I like 4 or 3 out of the 5 items, but if I pay for only 3 out of the 5 items, it's actually more expensive than if I've just kept all 5 items. So what I have been doing on boxes like that is I'll keep all 5 and then I'll sell the like 1 or 2 I don't like in my Poshmark shop. So my Poshmark shop is linked down below if you're interested in checking that out. And I'll also put my Stitch Fix referral link if it's something you haven't done before and you're curious on trying it out. You both get, I think it's either $20 or $25. I can't keep all these numbers straight. Anyways, let's dive on in. Let's see what we got. It does feel like there might be something heavy in here. It's been so long. I don't remember if I asked for anything, honestly. I might have just been straight up honest with Holly and been like, listen. I mean, this was before the storm, to be fair. When I put what I wanted, I was just like, I'm not looking for anything. Surprise me. So yeah. Let's check this out. So here is the prepaid mailer I mentioned earlier. And then here is an envelope. It has your invoice, and then it also has a card from your stylist with all the outfits and how they suggest how to style them, as well as a quick little note. So let's see. Okay. We got some interesting choices here. And now let's see what she has said. Hi Amanda, I'm so happy to see you enjoyed your last fix. I can't believe hearing that Texas might have some cold moments coming up. So I'm sending you, I'm sorry, this didn't age well. Some cold moments is an understatement. I appreciate you, Holly, if you're watching this. Cole, I grew up in Michigan. This was a Michigan winter in the middle of Texas and we were not prepared for it. It's fine, I'm not bitter. I'm sorry, back to Holly's note. Anyways, so I'm sending you some cute items to keep you nice and warm. First, I saw some great distressed jeans on your inspiration board, so I am sending the cute pair I found. With these pants, let me know what you think of the light pink fleece pullover or the interesting gray top. I just love the sleeves on this gray top. If you need something a little nicer, I threw in the blue blouse as well. Since I'm suspecting you might not have many jackets, I also included the adorable olive jacket to really help with the slightly cooler temps. I'm sorry, I can't keep a straight face through this, guys. I am not okay. Please leave some feedback, but also let me know if you need some more items for some chillier weather. Wishing you all the very best, Holly. Holly. I'm not tearing up. It's fine. Thank you for thinking of me. Anyways, the invoice, I don't look at till the end because I like to come up with independent thoughts about what I'm independent thoughts about what I'm trying on. I was going to say what I'm going through. I promise I'm okay, guys. It's just been a rough week. Yeah, anyways, let's look at this bundle. It feels heavy, so hopefully, you know, if this had gotten to me in time, maybe this would have been great. I think the jeans and maybe the jacket is what's really weighing it down. So let's see. So this first top, ooh la la. So it's floral, which I love me a good floral print. In the card, it looks a little more navy, but in person it's looking a little more, it's like almost black, but it's barely navy. And there is also a tie detail. It's kind of hard to see. We'll just have to try this bad boy on and see how it looks. The next item, ooh, oh, you're cute. It's this like pink green, which normally these two colors I would not put together. Like pink and cream, you know, like, I don't know. I just don't think these two colors go together, but I'm not hating it, honestly. Otherwise, it's a pretty simple, just crew neck sweatshirt. Let's see, is it fuzzy on the inside? Oh, it's so fuzzy on the inside. Oh. Anyways, I do like this, but we'll have to see. I don't know. I'm just not in love with those two colors together. That's my only hesitation about it. The next top, which I looked at and I was not impressed. Okay, sorry about that. We had some technical difficulties. The third item is this kind of just really blah gray crew neck sweatshirt. To be fair, it feels very comfy. The inside's not soft and fuzzy like that weird pink and green top we just pulled out of the box. This reminds me a lot of the top that she sent me last month that I was just like not impressed with, that was just like loungewear, but it wasn't even like cute loungewear. And I don't really need any more loungewear, especially since we're still, you know, recovering from COVID and whatnot. Sophie is thinking about coming to say hi. What are you doing? Oh, she's just coming over to use her tree. I keep the Christmas tree up year round because Sophie likes to rub her face on it. So sorry, not sorry. Anyways, we'll give this old college try. We'll give it a chance. I'm not convinced I'm gonna love it. Let's see, so this must be the jacket she was talking about, which this reminds me very much of that pink top she sent me last fall that I ended up wearing on the South Dakota trip, except it's just like, it almost reminds me of a green version of that jacket, which if that's the case, I probably don't need another jacket just like it, but again, we'll try it on. It's pretty cute, I actually really like it. I don't know, I'm conflicted. And then lastly, we have a pair of jeans, which are very distressed. They're not destructed, but they're very distressed, and they just look like a very typical skinny jean. There's a good amount of stretch in there. So anyways, we're gonna go try all of this on now. Okay, so I started off with the jacket, which trying it on, it is actually different from that pink cargo jacket she sent me last fall. The most notable differences are this kind of like blazer type look, and then it also has this like kind of army feel to it. I do like these pockies, or pockets if you're not into my lingo. It's very fitted, so this would definitely have to be like a spring fall. I'm thinking like this is a very big fall jacket just based on the color. I do really like this jacket, but I don't know if I can rationalize it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to think about this one. Underneath, I did put on the sweater that came with it, the pink green sweater, and let me say, now that I've worn this, I think I understand it. Like, I understand how the pink goes with the green because there's almost this like white, like tie-dye bridge between them. I actually really like this sweater. I like it way more than I thought I would. This sweater I think is gonna be a keeper because it is very cute and very cozy and soft. It's not just like that boring blah gray one that she sent me, or that weird other gray slash white one she sent me last month. And then I did pair this with the jeans, so I'll show you. This is what it looks like around my belly. I am bloated, and I had way too many pancakes this morning, so be kind of my little food baby, my little pudge. Oh God, watching my fat ripple. Anyway, sorry. So very good thing they're stretchy. I can give them that. They fit very well considering how big I am at the moment, and I'll pan down in a minute to give you a better view. So I am wearing them with my slippers because we are still coming off of this cold front that messed up our state real big time. So my only thing about it is I don't like this just random amount of distressing. It might just be almost too much distressing for me. I don't know how I feel about it. I do have more jeans than I probably honestly need at the moment, so I don't know if the jeans are necessarily going to be a keeper. Okay, so here's the gray top. Now, I'll have to admit, I like this more than I thought I would by a lot. I particularly love like poofy sleeves. So I love the sleeves on this. It's a little hard to tell, but it is like fitted down here by the waist, and then it's supposed to be kind of like gappy on top. I'm a little large at the moment because you just mentioned about the pancakes and the bloating. So I don't know if this really works for me. Something I have put in my profile is I don't like things that emphasize my belly area. So don't really like that about it. This is more of a mock turtleneck or like turtleneck feel than I realized. So this is actually kind of tight around my neck, and not something I'm thrilled about. I don't dislike turtlenecks. I just don't know how I feel about it. This one specifically, it's just a little too tight for my neck, which I've always had an issue with turtlenecks. I think maybe either my neck is just large or like muscular or something. I don't know what's going on with it. I have a hard time finding turtlenecks I like that I feel comfortable in. So if the rest of this were better, I might keep this for the sleeves just alone because I love the sleeves so much. But the rest of it, like, it's not flattering on me. Like, look at this. It's blah. This isn't doing me any favors. The neck, I might like it if it were a little looser, but this is where we're at. Okay, and here is the last top. So this is what it looks like when this is tied in the front. I just did a simple double knot tie. You can do a bow. I just didn't think it looked very good. Like, I almost feel like they don't give you enough to do like a good quality bow. I had a hard time deciding whether or not it's supposed to be tied in the front like I'm wearing now, or if it's supposed to be tied in the back. And then I realized there are no rules. I can do what I want. And I think it looks flattering both ways. I'm very impressed with this top. It is very light. It's like loose though, and just, this is like perfect for Texas springs and summers because it's not thick. I don't have to wear layers underneath this, so I can just, oh, sorry, notification on my phone, my bad. Anyways, very much love this top. Like, this is a keeper for sure. This and the sweatshirt are probably gonna be keepers. We'll have to kind of see what the invoice says, which we will look at next. Okay, see what the damage is. So, that cargo jacket was $78, which I'm not really surprised because jeans and outerwear and dresses, they're very pricey in my opinion on Stitch Fix, but they're so cute that sometimes you can justify it and sometimes you can't. The cargo jacket, I was already having a hard time justifying, so now that I know that it's $78, it's probably going back. Let's see, the jeans are $64, which is actually not bad for Stitch Fix jeans, considering how much they normally charge. I'm just not a big fan of the way they did the distressing on these. So these are probably also going back, but not the most expensive jeans I've ever gotten from Stitch Fix. The gray mock neck top that we tried on that I really like the sleeves on was $44, which is pretty typical for what they charge for a top like that. This top that I'm wearing right now is $44, which pretty typical. And then the light pink and green sweatshirt that I really liked is actually a very large $72, which I was not anticipating at all. So the subtotal is $302. If I were to keep all 5 items, there's a 25% discount. So with the keep 5 discount would be $226.50. So with that being said, yeah, just first thoughts, I like this top. I'm probably keeping this top. I liked that pink and green sweatshirt, but it's so much money. I'm probably gonna have to send it back. Like, not have to, but like, it just doesn't feel right paying $78 for something like that. You know what I mean? It just feels wrong. So I'm probably only going to keep this top right here that I'm very happy with and send everything else back. But on the off chance you guys have decided that, you know, you're really interested in purchasing this secondhand for my Stitch Fix, or I'm sorry, for my Poshmark shop, I will consider it depending on how many people comment down below of keeping all 5 items. That way I can pass the savings on to you, but I'm gonna be honest, it's a long shot at this point whether or not I'm going to do that for this particular box. Anyways, if you've stuck around this long, cold's getting to me. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm happy, such as liking and subscribing and turning on the notification bell and sharing and etc, etc, etc. Anyway, stay safe, stay warm, and you know, I hope your Valentine's Day was warmer than mine was, and I cannot wait for spring to come. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Okay, guys, as I was checking out for my Stitch Fix, I just realized I have shaking hands, so I apologize. But right now they're doing a $75 credit thing instead of the normal $25. So basically, if you decide to sign up for Stitch Fix right now using my referral code, you'll get $75 off your first box instead of just the normal $25. I wanted to make sure you guys were aware of this because the offer expires in 47 hours. So I'm trying to get this video uploaded ASAP. Anyways, thanks for watching.